Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rotate text on Clipchamp. If you want to add the text on your own unique angle, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Now the video is on your timeline track. To rotate the text, add the text. Tap onto the text button right here. Again tap to text. Now write whatever you want to add, like this, and tap onto the check mark. Here you can find a simple dot on your text like this. Now tap on it and simply rotate it like this. And now you can rotate the text however you want to rotate it. And that's it. This is how you can rotate the text on your videos in Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.